Everyone, so you found this video because you're looking for reviews about PG Dating Pro software. Pardon me, I got a little asthma thing going on. I've left other reviews. You can look. If you just Google search it, YouTube, PG Dating Pro reviews, you're going to find the rest of the reviews. I've been documenting a project that we're working on for 3 years now, right? We're getting close to pretty much like the third year. And my objective originally was to buy this dating website in a box, done for you solution, right? That was the goal. And pardon me, it's been nothing of that at all. It's not a dating website in a box, let me tell you that much. What it is a website that could be a social media platform. It has different applications, right? So this is not a plug-and-play solution if your intent is to have a dating website. Now, it's built on PHP, more specifically CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a little bit older of a format, right? And it's not incredibly hard to find people who know how to do it. But this website, this particular website that PG Dating Pro is providing, has many libraries, like a lot. And the problem you're going to run into is that it's not well documented for custom work. So let's say you download this, pardon me, you upload these files to your hosting, you're going to go in there and you want to make some changes, right? It's poorly documented, and finding your way around the back end of the website is going to be an issue. You're going to have to map it. So here's how they work. So they're going to charge you when you, so say you want to have custom work done. What they're going to do is they're going to put it on a shared hosting plan that you're going to spend like $10 a month as they work on it. They're not going to give you FTP either. They're only going to give you admin access to the back office, right? They have these modules that you could buy. Now, I got into this before they had a lot of these modules developed. Matter of fact, I probably paid for a lot of these modules to be developed for this website. I see them updating their website over the past 2 years. Now, you're going to be assigned a project manager, and they don't have a platform where you could share what you want done. You're going to have to do this through an email thread that's never going to end, right? What I did is I added them to a platform called Basecamp, which is a project management solution. My background is I own an SEO company in Chicago. We dominate Chicago, and we're also popping up in about 30 some odd other major cities throughout the U.S. So we do development, but we mainly work with PHP or WordPress, but mainly, small local businesses. That's our wheelhouse. So for us to do this was outside of our development, and it would have exhausted the resources. That's why we went outside, found an outside solution. So PG Dating Pro, I paid all their bill. You got to pay it first before you get the custom work. Has been nothing less than slow. Well, we're working on year number 3 to do a dating website. I have so much money wrapped into this. That's why I've been committed. I didn't want to, go to the Indians and have them build it, because that's always something up their sleeve every time I've dealt with them on custom work. So this originally made good sense. Now here, they work out of Poland and Russia and the United States, but mainly Poland and Russia, right? The problem with using offshore developers is a lot of them feel like there's no real repercussion. So what happens is they give you the solution, do some work, drag their feet, and eventually you give up because it's so incredibly hard to get them to move. I didn't get the success I have in my life by not being stubborn, so I dig my heels in, right? That's how I'm able to push through this. This project has been ridiculous. And what I would do different is I would use a stateside, U.S. stateside development team, because then there's legal recourse. If they were to drag their feet, not meet deadlines, then at least I could sue them, right? But in Russia, I mean, what really can I do? So what I've done is I made these videos, which has gotten their attention and gotten them to get more work done, right? But it's still very slow because we're working on year number 3. Okay, this is ridiculous. Like I said, I'm so financially committed to this that I mean, we're so close. I mean, the website is, I have had them do a lot of custom work, in all fairness to them. But to take this long, there's just no way. I mean, they're obviously working on our projects, this and that. I understand that, but I mean, this is so long. This is ridiculous. So I promised them that I was going to do one review a week talking about the progress that was done on the website or lack of thereof. And so this review, we're going to talk about it in the early part of January. I delegated out and paid for formatted emails, for adding PayPal in, and having Stripe payment systems do reoccurring payment, right? There's another thing about their dating site. They don't give you a reoccurring payment solution, which I thought was completely ridiculous. That this is supposed to be a dating website in a box, right? Dating website solution, but they don't offer reoccurring payment solution to work with Stripe or PayPal, which they say that they're already, capable of using, right? So it's single payment. It blows my mind. Other features like if somebody wants to, discontinue their membership, they don't have a solution for it. If they want to freeze their account, they don't have a solution for it. So in reality, the platform that they're saying is a dating website is really not. It doesn't have where you could deactivate the profile like most dating websites do. They don't have it where you could freeze the account. They don't have it where you could downgrade to just back to a free standard membership. They don't have any of that built in. What else? The way that they have it structured, it's hard to use analytics for. I'm finding that out now. We're going to use Google App Engine for the hosting, which is going to be very expensive. But for the security, I had one of our lead developers do a security test, like a pressure test, and it failed. And there were some issues that were discovered, which I sent to them, that they were able to fix some of them. But when we finally get the website in our hands, not on their shared hosting, we are going to then go ahead and make those patches. So the website is not a secure dating website, right? So if you have a dating website niche that, security is very important, you're going to have to go in and make the fixes yourself. Towards volume of visitors, I don't know yet. We haven't really, the website's live just now, like in this week. They fixed the registration email verification registration link. meaning you sign up in order to unlock, basic features. You have to verify your email address. That's how I have it set up. And they just fixed this. I haven't had a chance to test it. This is what they said. They said they fixed the coding. We just have to test it to see if it works and see if it unlocks the basic search features and other couple things that I had them code in there, right? Like I said, every week I'm going to keep putting these out talking about the progress or lack of progress of that week. The apps haven't even been started. Now, the apps that they offer with the premium or whatever the heck package they call it are just very, very basic, and they don't really model the website itself, and they don't share a lot of the same features. So beware on that one. They will need work, right? So I think I paid like $2,300 off the get-go. I have thousands of dollars worth of custom work now. I'm probably in $20,000 range with PG Dating Pro. Like I said, I do SEO. I have this website on the first page for my intended keywords. I'm getting people going there, but they can't sign up. So, and the website's not complete. So I'm not pushing for the top spot because I don't want to piss people off and never get them back, right? Again, user friendly. No, the back office. I mean, like I said, in the time that we have been working together, they've developed a lot of modules. And again, I think I probably paid for the development and gave them the ideas because all of a sudden they showed up on their website after they were completed. Whatever, I don't care. That's fine. They've asked me to take down the reviews now that they got the wheels turning, which I told them once the website is done, we can have that conversation. But until the website is complete and is what I paid for, it's a working website without any bugs or glitches, these reviews are going to keep going up every week. Unfortunately, it got to a point with them where I said, either you give me my money back, complete the website like I paid you to do, or I'm going to just keep putting these reviews up and I'm going to keep ranking them, and they're going to be one after another, and I'll put up third-party websites with this review on there. I will make sure anything that is PG Dating Pro or their parent company will see these reviews, right? Or you just get the project done. It's really that simple. So, as promised, this was going to be the review. I left at the end of this week. There will be another one next Friday, the Friday after that, the Friday after that, until my website has been completed and you stop dragging your feet, moving ultra slow, and you pay attention to this project. That's what's going to continue to happen, and I'm going to continue to talk about PG Dating Pro and Pilot Group, which is the parent company. I'll put up another review for Pilot Group at the end of the weekend. So it's going to be for both companies. I'm just going to keep going and going and going until my website's done. All right. I've been very patient, well beyond what I need to be, because this is ridiculous. There's a lot of developers could have got this done in 3 months. So reviews are not going to come down until my website is complete, and I'm not promising that, but there's a better chance of the reviews getting deleted than the longer it goes, the more people see these reviews. That's just how it's going to be. All right. If you are having the same problems as I've been having, please reach out to me. And, I can help you get your review ranked as well. But here's the thing. If you reach out to me, make sure everything you tell me is legit. I'm not going to help somebody that just wants to badmouth a competitor or badmouth somebody. Everything I'm saying is 1,000% legit, and I don't do shady stuff. So I have an impeccable reputation. I'm going to keep it that way. But if you're the same boat that I am, and you're having the same problems with PG Dating Pro, then reach out to me. Let's get a video made. Tell your story, and I will help you SEO the video to make sure it shows up along with mine. Okay? You can reach me at jack@bizengine.com. BIZNGINE.com. Bizengine.com. Email me there. Let's talk. If your story's legit, I'll help you get a review up there as well, and maybe help you with this process as well, making sure that they do what you paid them to do. But again, it has to be legit. I'm going to make you prove some stuff, but once you do, then I'll be more than happy to help you and do the SEO for you. All right. Thanks for watching, and this has been my experience hiring PG Dating Pro Custom, their team to do custom work, and I hope everyone has a happy and safe weekend. Thanks.